Cafe du Monde beignet mix. It's gonna be really delicious and tasty. It's very simple. All you have to do is mix water with the mix, roll the dough out, fry it, and then enjoy it.
Okay.
We have the mix right here. We're gonna measure out 2 cups. So three of these are 1 cup. It smells like beignets. Tear it. Now pour 7 fluid ounces of water. So now I have to mix our dough.
To put out on here.
So now we have our flour and pasta. So now we're flouring our flour board. We got our dough. We're gonna get the salt base shot. Okay. You're gonna flatten it. So now we're gonna roll the dough. I'm gonna roll the dough. So we have our slices. They have to be 2 1/4 inch. We're now left with 9 perfect beignet squares. Look, we just started to heat up the oil. Now we're gonna wait till it's ready. Okay, so we got the oil nice and ready. We got the beignets. We're gonna drop them in with our little spatula.
You could just use your hand.
We're gonna fry these to a nice golden brown and looking good. We're getting the delicious beignets nice and ready. Look how delicious. Time for our next batch. Puffing up and looking good. Getting the delicious beignets, nice and ready. Look how delicious. Time for our next batch. The deliciousness, the ultimate deliciousness.